Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the trash folder in Canva and how you can permanently delete or restore your design step by step. This is super useful if you've accidentally deleted a project or if your Canva account is getting cluttered and you want to clean things up properly. Sometimes, we all have that moment where we hit delete on a project and panic about losing it forever. Don't worry, Canva's got your back. A lot of people don't even realize Canva has a trash folder. So if you've ever wondered where deleted designs go, you're in the right place. Whether it's a quick mistake or a cluttered workspace, I'll guide you through the whole process, so you never have to worry about lost designs again. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. I'm here to help you make the most of your tools, and with Canva, it's all about keeping things simple and organized. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the Canva account where the deleted designs were originally created, because the trash folder is account-specific. So, if you're managing multiple accounts or using Canva for different projects, keep in mind that the trash folder will only show designs from the account you're currently logged into. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen. This is where you normally see your recent designs, templates, and projects, basically your design hub. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. This opens up the main Canva side menu, where you can access different sections of your account. The side menu is where all your key options are tucked away, and it's super easy to navigate once you get used to it. When the side menu opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you'll see an option called Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. You'll notice that clicking this takes you straight to the folder where all your deleted designs are stored. This will open the Canva Trash folder, where all your recently deleted designs are kept for up to 30 days. Inside the trash folder, you'll see a list of designs that have been deleted but not permanently removed yet. Canva keeps these items here so you can recover them if you change your mind. This is a lifesaver if you accidentally deleted something or if you're just cleaning up but want to keep your options open. You can also see the date the design was deleted, so you know how recently it was removed. To manage any item, click on the three-dotted menu next to the design you want to work with. From here, you'll see options to either restore the design or delete it permanently. If you choose Delete from Trash, Canva will ask you to confirm. A little pop-up will appear to make sure you're sure about deleting the item. Canva doesn't want you to make accidental deletions. Once you confirm, that design will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So make sure you're absolutely certain before doing this. It's always a good idea to double-check if you really want to say goodbye to the design forever. If you want to delete multiple designs at once, click on the check mark or tick icon to select more than one item. This is super handy when you're tidying up and want to clear out a few things at once. Once you've selected the designs, you can then click on Delete and confirm Delete from Trash to permanently remove all selected items at the same time. This is a great way to quickly clean up your trash folder if it's getting a bit too full. Canva makes it easy to keep things organized, even if you've been using it for a while and have a lot of designs on your account. Now, if instead you want to recover a design, click on the three-dotted menu for that item again and choose Restore. This option will take the design out of the trash folder and put it back into your Canva projects. It's a quick and simple way to bring back designs you may have deleted by accident. To double-check that it worked, click on the Projects option in the side menu, and you should see the restored design back where it belongs, ready to be edited or downloaded again. If you have a specific folder for your designs, you'll find it right back where you left it, just like nothing ever happened. And that's all there is to accessing and managing the trash folder in Canva. You now know how to find deleted designs, permanently remove them, or restore them in just a few clicks. This simple feature can make a huge difference in keeping your design space organized and stress-free, especially if you're working on a lot of projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and simple how-to guides.